Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change theme on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your theme on your Steam profile, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your account on which you want to change your theme, as I have already logged into my account over here. And when you land on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen you can see a username available for us over here, and when you hover over there, this kind of drop down menu appears. We'll be required to click on the profile section over here, and this kind of interface will be available for us again. And over here we'll be required to click on the edit profile option over here at the right side of the panel where I'm hovering. Click on the edit profile, and this kind of interface will again appear, where at the left side over here you can see the theme option available for us, where my mouse is currently hovering. Click on the theme option, and all of the themes available on Steam will be available over here. Currently I'm on the default theme. You can choose summer, midnight, dark mode, cosmic and steel according to your wish. And after choosing your theme, guys, click on the save button over here, and then your theme on your Steam profile will be changed to which you chose. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to change theme on Steam profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.